What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Clickbank without a website in 2019. Before I get into the content though, guys, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how to create the life that you want. Content about how to make passive income, how to make money online, how to create a brand online, and being an authority figure online, as well as the latest tactics and strategies that other people are using to be successful with making money and creating their life as I do the same. All right. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss any of the content. Okay. And if you are a subscriber, thanks. I love you guys. Appreciate it. Let's get into the content. So Clickbank, for those of you who don't know, I'm not going to spend too much time on it because if you're watching this video, that means you know a little bit about Clickbank. You've heard about it, right? And you just want to know how you can make money using Clickbank without a website this year in 2019 and beyond. Okay. So once you log into Clickbank here in your back office, you want to go to the marketplace. And once you go to the marketplace, you want to pick a category. Ideally a category that you're somewhat passionate about, that you have some knowledge about. But if you don't have knowledge about it or you don't know yet what you're passionate about, you always want to stick to the three golden niches, right? They're called evergreen niches, which means they're not trendy. They're niches or categories that will always be around, that you can make money from no matter what time of year or season or whatever it is. Okay. And those are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. If you pick a product or a niche or category within those three topics or niches, what have you, you're pretty much set. Okay. It's all about picking that one, focusing, and then pumping out consistent content to the potential audience within those three to make money. Okay. So that's the basic strategy here that we are utilizing with Clickbank: affiliate marketing, market a specific product within one of those niches to the audience in one of those niches. Okay. All right. So Clickbank, let's say we pick fitness, health, wealth, and relationships, right? So health and fitness, the category here in Clickbank. What we need to do is we need to find a product that is converting already on Clickbank, and also a product that has good integrity, a product that really fixes the need of an audience, not just blowing smoke or whatnot, right? And also a product that, ideally a high ticket product. Okay. Because the difference between a $10 product and $1,000 product is only the price. You still have to do the same amount of work regardless of what the price is of a product, right? If you want to make $10,000 a month and you have a $10 product, you have to make 1,000 sales. If you have a $1,000 product and you want to make $10,000 a month, all you have to do is make 100 sales. So it's the same amount of work, but less. Your goal is less when you are the goal you have to reach is less when you are advertising or marketing a high ticket product. Excuse me. So here we are in health and fitness. Again, we don't have a website. Even if you don't have any social media accounts, that's okay, because I'm going to show you three ways. Two of them are social media and one is through a paid advertising source. Okay. If you want to go the paid route. So here we are, health and fitness. We're going to pick a product. Usually through Clickbank, you either want to do popularity, which of course means these are products that are popular right now, that are very popular, with affiliate marketers. And then you can also sort by gravity. Gravity is saying how often this product has sold for affiliate marketers recently. Okay, so the higher the gravity, the better. The lowest gravity not always means is not as good. That might mean that the product is new and hasn't picked up traction yet. So you can, if it's a product that you really believe in, go for it. Even if it has a low gravity, go for that product. If you have an audience that needs this product, go for it. Okay. But as long as it's legit, that the founder, the person who created the product, is not scammy or making empty promises, and that people can really get a good value for their money. Okay. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the Red Tea Detox. The Red Tea Detox has actually been one of the highest gravity scoring products within the health and fitness category for a long time. As long as I've been doing videos like this, It's been on the top. So apparently this product is really good. But once you pick your product, you know which one is good. Do your research. Okay. Don't just do service level. Look at the stats. Go to the sales page. Go to the affiliate page here and look at what the affiliate or the product is offering. Look at the sales page so you can know that when your audience clicks your link, you know what they're going to, and you can speak to that when we start getting into our social media posts. Okay. So let's say we're going to pick this product. We're going to click promote to get our affiliate link. Okay. And then generate hop links. Now the hop link for Clickbank is not pretty, right? As you can see it right here, this is not a pretty link. I would never click a link like that looks like this online. So you can go and you can use ClickMagick, or you can use custom URL, whatever you want to make it custom to you. Or you can go to a free service like bit.ly.com or Google Link Shortener, and you can copy this link, paste in one of those free services, and it'll say http://bit.ly/ and you can say red detox or red tea detox or whatever you want to at the end after of that that last backslash. Okay. And then it makes that link a little more presentable for you. All right. So we have our link. Now we need to figure out what vehicles we're going to use to drive traffic to this link. Okay. And throughout any time in this video, guys, there's a detailed course. The first link in the description that is a detailed course teaching you how you can do this step by step. Okay, so you check that out if you want to. So first source we're going to use, I'm going to go over the paid way. So Bitvertiser. Bitvertiser is, if you have ever read an article online or been to a website with a bunch of banner ads somewhere or an ad that pops up, Bitvertiser is one of those vehicles you can use to pay to get your ad posted on one of those websites or a pop-up of a website. Okay. And what you do is you go in, you log in if you're already a user. If not, you'll create a campaign and it'll show you how to create an account up. You add funds to your account and then you create an ad. It's very user friendly, step by step. You have the option of a pop-up ad, a banner ad, and there's one more that they just implemented that I've never used. I usually use the pop-up ads. It's spotty, hit or miss sometimes, but this is a way where you can get, if you want leads, get consistent leads, and you can also get some fast sales if your offer is really good. But for this method primarily, well, for all three really, the strategy is to get leads so that then you can on the back end email market them. Okay. But Bitvertiser is a good way, paid, and it can be fast, that you can send your link or put your link on Bitvertiser, pay for some traffic, and you can get some sales and some leads. Okay, without a website. Only thing that you need to create that's websitey, maybe websitey, if that's a word, I don't know, would be a ClickFunnels or a lead capture page, and it's very easy. If you want to check out ClickFunnels for $19 a month, as well as one of my free funnels, check it out in the description below. Okay. But let's get to the free sources of traffic where you can really drive traffic for free to your affiliate offer. And the first one is Instagram. Like, all of us know about Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, I don't know where you've been. This is not the space for you, because if you want to be successful with making money online, you need to be on Instagram. You need to be on all social media platforms. I don't know about Snapchat as much. I haven't used Snapchat as much, but Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, those are big social media platforms that you want to make sure you are on if you're going to try to make money online. Okay. So with Instagram, let's say we still have the same product, the red tea detox. We're going to come in here into search, and we're going to search maybe something like health. Right. And this will bring up all the posts that are on Instagram right now on health. So we can see there's over 95 million posts on health. And what you want to do is you want to create an Instagram account centered around health, or maybe centered around tea or detox, or I wouldn't say fitness, but something holistic and healthy and whole. And what you do is you create consistent content. You pump out content. There's no cap as to how much content you can put out in a day, as far as I know, but you want to pump out content similar to what you're seeing here. people are, that's not highly engaged. This one is somewhat engaged, has high engagement here. This one has high engagement. So you see these posts here. You can post food, or you can post the different types of teas, or you can post people losing weight with certain products, right? Posts that will get a lot of engagement. And what you do is in the copy of the post, this was in Spanish, but in the copy of the post, you want to say, hey guys, you know, if you want to lose weight within a certain amount, or you want to reach this goal, check out the link in my bio, and then it'll send them to the either your funnel to capture that lead, or it'll send them to the sales page. Okay. But the goal of this is to be consistent and take consistent action and post content that will resonate with your audience, with the fitness or health audience. Okay. So, you know, take a look at, come in your search bar, type in your niche or your product topic and see what's already out there and what's really engaging with that specific audience. Okay. And then the third, but not least, platform is YouTube. What you can do here in YouTube is just get same thing, same concept as Instagram, but it's with a video. Post as much content around your specific topic or specific niche, and then reference your link to your affiliate offer in your description, and you're good as golden. Okay, so I'm not going to go into detail about this because it's the same concept as Instagram. Create a YouTube account centered around that one whole topic, around the top. The name of the channel should be the topic. Your banner here should be on the topic. Your tag should be about that topic. And then the links in your description will send them to your affiliate offer, the Red Detox. Okay. So guys, I hope that was helpful for you. Hope you got some value. If you did, like this video and comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again on another day. Peace.